All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool. What happens when you take a powerful, purpose-driven wellness movement and you pair it with a seriously cutting-edge AI tool that's built to get its message out there? This is all about building a business that doesn't just have a purpose, but also has the power to scale. Just stop and think about that for a second. What if that thing you are most passionate about, your core message, your reason for doing what you do, what if you could supercharge that with artificial intelligence? I mean, reaching people you never even dreamed you could reach? That's the big idea we're going to unpack here. But before we get to the solution, we've got to get real about the problem. For anyone out there trying to build something themselves, you're a creator, an entrepreneur, you run a small business, you know that the road is, well, it's full of roadblocks. Take a look at this list and just see if any of it rings a bell. You're trying to manage like a dozen different marketing tools. They're all expensive. None of them talk to each other. The technology itself can be super intimidating, right? And you get completely exhausted from that content creation treadmill, just trying to post. And even after all that work, you're still struggling to find the right people, those qualified leads who actually want what you're offering. It's a really frustrating cycle, and it's so common. Okay, so into this whole messy picture comes AI. And as Dr. Seth Klein, one of the sources for this explainer, puts it, AI isn't just another little tool we can add to our toolbox. No, it's a tsunami. It's this massive, unavoidable wave of change, and it's coming whether we're ready for it or not. And that quote really nails it, doesn't it? It leaves us with a critical choice. Are you going to get swept away by this thing, or are you going to learn how to ride that wave? It's all about shifting from being completely overwhelmed to being totally empowered. And that brings us to the first piece of the puzzle. Meet Lev AI. Now, this isn't just another piece of software. It's designed to be an AI agent that actually works for you. Think of it like having your own personal marketing director, taking all those complicated tasks and putting them into one simple system. And the best part? It's built for entrepreneurs, not tech geniuses. You do not need a coding degree for this. And check this out. This is where it all clicks. On the left, you've got all those headaches we just talked about. And on the right, Leave AI has a direct solution for every single one. Instead of all those costly, complex tools, you get one affordable platform. That tech intimidation? Gone. Replaced by a super simple interface. You can even build an entire website in minutes with My Web, get My AI Social to write your posts, and use the My Prospects tool to find your perfect customer. It's all connected. So, we have this absolutely incredible AI engine. But an engine is useless without a vehicle, right? It needs something to power, a powerful message to carry. And that vehicle is a whole new wave of wellness. And here it is, Nueva. Now, this isn't just a product line. It's really positioned as a movement, a new wave of energy, of wellness, and of opportunity designed for people who want to build something that actually has a purpose. So what's the big deal? Well, you can see here, it's not just about having high-integrity formulas. It's about this idea of community, of rising together. But look at that last one, prosperity through purpose. The whole idea is that you can build your own success by helping other people rise up. Now that is a powerful message. And the whole thing is built on a model they call social retail. Basically, it's a hybrid approach that throws out all the old, clunky business models and focuses on what actually works today, making real, authentic connections, combined with a business structure that's designed to go viral. It is built for the modern creator economy. Okay, so we've got the AI engine, and we've got the wellness vehicle. Now for the really exciting part. What happens when you put them together and create the ultimate growth engine? This is where the magic really happens. When you combine the smart, automated power of Lev AI with the authentic, mission-driven message of Nueva, you create a system that can take your purpose and scale it across the entire globe, almost instantly. And right at the heart of this whole thing is one specific tool that Dr. Klein called the creme de la creme, the My AI video tool. It lets you create a digital version of yourself, a twin. But what that twin can do, well, that's what's truly mind-blowing. 150. That is the number of languages your AI twin can speak, fluently. And you don't have to learn a single new word. Just let that sink in for a minute. The sheer possibility of that. What this means is your authentic message about Nueva, delivered by an AI that looks and sounds just like you, can be understood in Italian,
in Japanese, in Spanish, French, all at the exact same time. You can become a global business literally overnight.
So here's how that flywheel actually works. It's simple. First, you start with your purpose, sharing the Nueva message. Then Lev AI automates your content. After that, your AI twin takes that message global in 150 languages. Then the My Prospects tool finds people in, say, Germany or Brazil who are looking for wellness solutions. And finally, the whole system helps you connect and grow your business. See? It's a perfect continuous loop. And when you put it side by side with the old way, wow, the difference is just night and day. Instead of hiring some crazy expensive agency, you get to be your own chief marketing officer. Instead of guessing who your audience is, you find exactly who you're looking for anywhere on the planet, and you can speak their language from day one. So we end right back where we started. That AI tsunami, it's not coming, it's already here. And with a tool like this, paired with a mission like this, the question isn't about whether you can survive it anymore. The real question is, are you ready to grab a board and lead the wave?